day 3 of 24 days of Christmas. I'm doing a festive Christmassy video every single day till Christmas Day. And today, as you can tell from the title, as you can tell from the title, we have the 4 ultimate hot chocolates. Festive hot chocolates, Christmassy hot chocolates, best time of the year, everyone. And also, let me just mention, because it's the 3rd day, you didn't know, today's my birthday. Today's my 23rd birthday, and I love hot chocolate more than anything. And also, I'm wearing a Buddy the Elf jumper. Like, let me just show you properly. Let me just, put my hair at the front and look at this. I swear, I fell from the North Pole and I'm human for some reason. I look crazy, but I love it so much. Elf is genuinely like my favorite Christmas movie. Like, well, one of my favorites. I always say every single film is like my favorite movie. But anyway, you join me here in my kitchen. And I'm just gonna show you the ingredients for the hot chocolate, the ones that you're gonna use. So obviously it is my kitchen, like I haven't like changed anything. It's my kitchen and we have our stuff here. So please ignore this for a second, just for a second, please, thank you. And okay, the ingredients that we're gonna use is obviously some kind of milk. I love using lactose-free milk. I'm not lactose intolerant, but you know, I do better with lactose-free. So I use lactose-free milk. It's 1.5% fat and it's good to foam up. So I really like this milk. It's from Lidl. And yeah, we're gonna use that. We're gonna use some, this is regular whipped cream, you know? It's not lactose-free. You could get lactose-free, but you know, I don't really mind. And then for the hot chocolates, we're going to use this. We're going to use the Cavatina Blanc. Pure sensation. It's Swiss chocolate, and this, oh my god, it's amazing. So highly recommend. Then we're going to use this one, which I'm running really low on. It's the Kruger family Schokotraum Trink Schokolade. So it's just regular like powder chocolate. And also, these little bad boys, these are, these are hot chocolate mixes and they're actually powder. I thought they were like liquid or something, but they're powder and they come in different flavors. There's like double chocolate, French vanilla, peppermint mocha, and just Lebkuchen cookie, which is a type of cookie here. But yeah, I think it was 6 years I got a Teddy, and oh, Teddy. This is an amazing stocking filler, but I'm using it today for my hot chocolate. Yeah, I'm going to be using the peppermint one. Peppermint mocha. So, also, I'm going to be using these. This is an orange paste because we're going to be doing a chocolate orange one, like a Terry's chocolate orange dupe, because I don't actually have Terry's chocolate orange, you know? Love how this angle's so flattering on me. Anyway, we're using this, and we're also using an orange because we need like the peel. And then for toppings, I have glitter, red glitter. It's edible glitter. It's like a metallic type of thing. And yeah, it's by the brand Günther. I don't know how to pronounce this. Then we also have some decorations, Christmassy decorations for this, which I just find amazing. You can just use all of them. There's 4 types: trees, little moons, sprinkles, bigger sprinkle balls, and you know, very handy. And these are the cutest things ever. They are like a candy cane spoons. I don't know if you can see because of the reflection. Here you go, and they're strawberry flavor. They're so cute. Then you can never go wrong with a bit of marshmallows. These are like on their way out. As you can tell, I really love me a hot chocolate, but yeah, I have a fresh new bag, by the way. Just want to finish these up. The reality of things, I'm not going to fake anything. And then also, these are open because I have tried them before. I want to try them before I recommended. I have never tried these though, so we'll see. But they look delicious, so they should taste okay. These are chocolate like zebra rolls, and they're like, as you can tell, like there's just white chocolate, and it's just, they're tiny. They're not big. They're tiny, tiny, tiny rolls. and I'll show you them when we decorate. And then these are chocolate shavings. They're just milk chocolate shavings, so amazing to decorate. Now we're gonna tie our hair because we don't want any hair or anything in people's drinks, do we? So we've got to get this out of the way, people. Right, so the utensils that we're going to be using today, they're shaving thing for the rind, the peel, I'm pretty sure you say peel, not rind, because rind does not sound right. Also, we're going to be using some measuring spoons. You could use regular teaspoons and spoons, but I just thought these are cute for the video, you know. Wouldn't really use them in real life, but thought they were cute for the video, you know. I wanted to try it a little bit more. And then I got these cute, amazing glasses. They're like thermal glass, so they're glass. But like when you touch them, they feel cool to touch, but it keeps your drink warm, so they're amazing. I love these. Mom got me these for my birthday. Love them. Also, we're going to be using the milk frother / warmer by Silvercrest. I also found this in Lidl, and my mom got it for me for my birthday because she knows how much I love foaming up my milk for my coffees, my lattes, even though they're decaf, I can't have caffeine. But you know, for my coffees, and also warm up the milk for my hot chocolate. Like, I use this probably twice a day. Just want to show you real quick. To warm up the milk, you use this little attachment. So if you have the same one or you want to get the same one, it's the tiny attachment, not the milk. This is to froth milk. This is to warm milk evenly. So, gotta just say that real quick. Also, I'm using these, and I'm kind of slouched here so you can see everything I'm doing. I can also be around here. I'm using these. Mom also got these cute little Christmas mugs. So I'm going to use these two because they're 4 chocolates, and I don't have 4 of those like clear glasses. They're only 2, but I still think they're cute. I'm going to be here to the side trying to do this. So we're going to be doing this for every single chocolate, just pouring in the milk, and there is going to be a little bit of frothiness at the top. I'll show you in a bit. The first chocolate we're going to do is the standard classic chocolate. Now, I could melt chocolate, I could do this in a pot, but I just like this little thing that we've got going on. This is how I make mine. So, I'm going to grab these, and I'm going to grab a tablespoon of this. Maybe a half, just like that much. I don't know if you can see that. And then we're just going to wait for the milk to finish heating. Bum, 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 bum. The milk's done, it's blinking. I'm just going to take the lid off. And this doesn't get too hot, but be careful. So as you can see, the milk's like a little bit frothy, and now you're going to see the magic. I'm going to pour it not all the way to the brim, but nearly. We're going to leave that there, and I'm just going to give it a little bit of a mix, just a little bit of a mix, because I don't want the chocolate bits to be like at the bottom. I'm going to give it a little shake, senora. Shake your body right. Work, senora. Right, and I'm not great at doing this, okay? So I'm just going to... Yeah, well, that happened. Then we go for the marshmallow toppings, and I just grab them with my hands. And I just put them all over the top. And then I grab these. So I'm gonna grab a few of these. And so you see what I mean? They're tiny, they're baby. Can you see them? I'm gonna grab a few with my hands really quickly. I don't want them to melt in my hand. Just give it a little bit of something. Ooh, we got a little bit of spillage. Shit. And then a little bit of chocolate shaving. And there we have the first ultimate hot chocolate. Regular, you know, a little bit of spillage, you know it's good. Look at that little ombre, the little froth. Oh my god, yum, yum, yum. Right, so I'm going to put this in the little plate because I've made a flipping mess. I need to clean that up. So our next contender is the white chocolate. This beauty is insanely good. I've heated up the milk, and now I'm just going to pour like a heapful of this one. You know, probably like a tablespoon and a half. And then gonna grab some milk, pour it into the bad boy. Ooh, I do love that. Perfect. I forgot to grab this white chocolate. So we grab more whipped cream. I'm gonna try to do this and demonstrate a little bit better. There we go. That's a boy. Right, so I'm gonna grab this Christmassy red and just a little bit on the tip of it, and I'm just gonna dust it. Yeah, that dusting didn't really go well, did it? Made a fucking mess. It's like a red eyeshadow, but it's edible. I love this. And now I'm gonna grab some white chocolate. I'm gonna open this bad boy up. And I'm gonna shave some chocolate on top. So just gonna grab this and shave the shiz out of it. Go crazy. I've made a little bit of a mess, but this is what it's looking like. I love it. Looks like a white chocolate festive yumminess. So our next contender is gonna be the peppermint mix. So I need to open this actually. Scissors in here. So after 15 minutes of trying to open this, we managed to get it open. Just a little bit, like we had to carve into it. I don't know why it was so hard to open, but okay. So we're gonna grab this.
Three hours later.
Right, okay, so this is becoming a little bit of a fail. Don't know why it's so stiff. Like, what the fuck? Right, 15 minutes later, Jesus Christ. We've gotten a good chunk in, so the milk is heated once more, and I'm just gonna pour this in. Made an absolute mess. Right, so we got the chocolate down. Gonna do the whole. And now we're gonna grab some of the sprinkles. And now to make it extra fancy, we're gonna grab this spoon. Gonna grab the spoon and just, you know, pop it in there. Oh, that's way too long. Alright, I'm gonna leave the spoon to the side. I'm gonna put some more chocolate shavings. And there we have it, our peppermint mocha hot chocolate. Oh my god, it looks delicious. Cannot wait until I have this. I'm actually going to give this one a little bit of a taste test because I have not tasted this one yet. And oh my god, it tastes like the after 8 chocolate. Oh my god. Can we just grab a little bit of the spoon? It's all over my face, oh my god. Last but by no means least, I'm going to be doing the chocolate orange hot chocolate. So, I'm going to grab the regular hot chocolate and then the milk. Just going to pour it in there. You know how it is. That little... Can you see it? Now what I'm gonna do with this is I'm gonna grab some orange paste and half a teaspoon of it and just kind of just put about that much, a big dollop. Gonna give that a good old mixeroo. Gonna give that a good old mixeroo. I reckon it needs a little bit more, so I'm just gonna grab this because it's just easier like this. Just gonna grab a little bit of that. I reckon that you need about a teaspoon of orange paste. And then we're gonna grab our whipped cream. Do that. Right, then I'm gonna grab an orange, and it's not that way. There we go. I'm gonna shave a little bit, none of that fell on top. I'm gonna try and show you, but it's a little bit difficult from this angle. There we go, look at that. It's looking divine, look at it. And it smells so good too. And then just as a finishing touch, I'm just gonna chuck a little bit of the chocolate shavings. And then again, our little chocolate orange chocolate. Doesn't it look amazing? I'm so excited to have it. Look at that. It smells so good, you guys. I feel like this is the most festive one because it smells like oranges and chocolate and oh my god. I wish you could smell this. Smell-o-vision. Oh my god, it smells so good. So there we have it. These are the ultimate hot chocolates for Christmas. Super festive, so amazing. I can't wait to have this one. This is the chocolate orange one. Oh my god. It smells divine, honestly. We have to do a taste test though. It tastes like Terry's chocolate orange. Oh my god. So this is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching this. I really hope you enjoyed it. Really hope you try these out. If you do, please, 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 like tag me on Instagram or send me a message or like tell me somehow, let me know that you did this because I'd just be so excited, honestly. Like, it'd be insane. But yeah, leave me a comment down below of which one was your favorite. And yeah, thank you so much for watching and I'll see you on my next Christmassy video. Don't forget that I'm doing vlogmas and I have a second channel. The first link in the description box is my vlogging channel. So go check the vlogmas out and I'll see you in my next Christmassy video. Bye!